Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To recover deleted iMessages without computer, then the only available way for you is to restore your iPhone from iCloud backup. However, this only method is unless if you have made no iCloud backup before, or the iCloud backup you made doesn't including the iMessages you deleted.
Let's help you make your mark.
Recover deleted texts using an iCloud backup. If you have an iCloud backup from the time before you deleted the text, you should be able to get it back by restoring your phone to that iCloud backup. You'll see a list of backups for your devices and can tap on the one for your iPhone to see when it was last backed up.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.